continuation of the previous part, delineation of the watershed and the watershed. Today I'm going to show you how to also generate or create the river network in our area of interest. Here we do have this area of interest. So now we can use these inputs in order to create. Last time I have showed you how to delineate watershed and subwatershed, and we fill our term and calculate the accumulation and flow direction and the stream length here. Next step is that is the stream order. The input is not the flow accumulation. The input is the stream length of interest. Okay, and then here flow direction of area of interest. Here the what? The flow stream order of the area of interest. Make 2 because already we calculated one. This is the correct stream order, right? So we have to follow the what? We have to follow the steps. The steps. Be careful. That's why I noted it because it is, teaching one. So next to when we compute the stream order, the input is not the flow accumulation. Instead, it is the stream length. Right? Already we calculated that one. Okay. Now here, see here, this is the stream length. You can check in and check in. You can see there, right? For example, here, this one. Let's make it light blue, right? This is the stream from each subwatershed. That is why we calculated these watersheds, because there are small rivers that flow through that watersheds, right? Here we have the dark blue, this one, and you can also increase the here. Now the next step is to stream converted to what? Stream order, flow direction, input, stream to feature. Okay, this is stream. Can say streams of area of interest. Okay. Yes, this then. Now this we created what? This one. The single line of the rivers of our area of interest. You see? We created this one. The single lines of the area of interest. Here we created our river networks for our area of interest. Thank you for watching. Next time I'll show you how to also prepare this input for invest model to calculate annual water field